Have you ever memorized this mathematical formula but never understood where it came from? Today, we'll discover the hidden beauty behind this algebraic identity together. To make things clearer, we'll use red to represent variable A and blue to represent variable B. This way, you can easily follow each part throughout our visual journey. Now we'll divide this large square with a vertical line at distance A from the left and a horizontal line at distance A from the top. Look, four different sections have appeared: a red square with area A squared, a blue square with area B squared, and two yellow rectangles each with area A times B. If we add all these areas together, a squared plus B squared plus a B, we get a squared plus B squared plus 2AB. But this total area is exactly the same as the large square we started with, which is a plus B all squared. So we've geometrically proven what we knew algebraically. Now, when you see this mathematical equation, you'll remember this beautiful geometric proof. Understanding always beats memorization. Try this method yourself on paper. Draw the square, divide it, and watch how mathematics works in perfect harmony. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. I'd love to hear which other mathematical equations or proofs you'd like me to visualize next. Maybe a minus b squared or perhaps a plus b cubed. Let me know your suggestions.